Hello guys, welcome to Filament Daily. Today I will show you a new plugin, Filament Cards plugin for Filament, that allows you to create a page something like this. A typical page for something like control panel, like settings, like list of various actions. And those actions may be links to anything basically. Profile page, external link, some of your resources, and anything you want. So this is our own project to demonstrate that. I will zoom that in a bit. So we have the dashboard, we have the user CRUD, user resource, and then we have a special page with cards, which looks like this. So a few cards to resources, for example, Filament Docs, which is external link to Filament documentation, or for example, Google. Then we have a link to edit profile, which is not in the target blank, which is on the same page. Then we go back to cards. For example, we can link to users list or to user form to create a new user. These are just a few examples of where you can lead. Now let's dive into the code. If we follow the official documentation for installation, after compose require, you need to have custom theme and add the things from the package to your Tailwind config, for example, so those would render successfully. Then you create a special page, cards page. So in app Filament pages, you create a page with whatever name you want, and it should extend cards page from that package. And then inside you define the getCards method, which returns the items for cards. And this is exactly what we did in our demo with a few more options that I will show. So extends card page, we have app Filament pages cards PHP, and in getCards we have this. So card item to Filament Docs with title, icon, opening new tab, and group resources. So that's how you group those into visual sections like this, resources, for example. Then the second group is settings with just one item. And then the third group is users with another two cards. And then you just link to a specific page like create user, list users, or edit profile. On top, a few more options, as I said, the alignment, icon size. Also, you can enable or disable groups collapse. So as you can see, the icon here is this. So when you click this, you can collapse the group or expand it again. So that is disabled in resources group. And also you can provide navigation icon and other properties like in a typical Filament custom page. And in the documentation you may find more properties and more things that you can override and customize, so I advise you to read the full README and check it out yourself. I will link the package in the description below. So yeah, that's a quick demo. I think it's a neat, small, but very useful package to create kind of a custom page in Filament which wouldn't look like default Filament. What do you think? Let's discuss in the comments below. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.